Hello friends, today we'll be doing Hina Khan's Naagin 5 makeup look. So let's get started. All makeup products name will be given in the description box below. Firstly, I am applying primer on my face. It is very important to put primer to make makeup stay. Now I'm taking this Pro Camera Ready foundation and applying on my face. Blend properly so that you can be ready for camera. Now we'll conceal all the darkness that I want to hide on my face. Concealer also will help to highlight your face. Blend it properly. Now to bake my face, I'm using loose powder. I will remove this powder after contouring my face. Now to contour my face, I'm using powder bronzer. To give shape to your face and little bit of warmth as Hina Khan's face, I'm using this powder all over the sharp features on my face. To narrow down, I'm contouring my nose. Her nose looks pointed and sharper, so we'll apply highlighter later to make it more sharper. Now I'm removing loose powder and setting it on my face with the help of blender. Now for blush, I'm using this peachy color on my cheeks. Due to blush, Hina's face looked warm and sun-kissed, so I'm applying generous amount of blush on my cheeks and nose too. For eyeshadows, firstly I'm using this black colored eyeshadow on my eyelids. I have already applied concealer on my eyelids so that my eyeshadow will stay longer. For transition, I'm using this warm brown color over black eyeshadow. Blend on outer part only as shown. As eyeshadow looks glittery, so I'm using this shiny black eyeshadow over the normal shadow that I have applied. No any eyeliner have been applied over eyelids, so I will also not apply any. Now for kajal, I'm using this pencil eyeliner on my waterline. I'm setting this eyeliner with black eyeshadow. Don't let eyeliner to smudge. We'll apply eyelashes off camera. Now highlight highest points on your face. Highlighter will help you to glow like Naagin. After this, apply some setting spray on your face. For lips, firstly I'm using this nude peachy color. Now I'm topping with this lip gloss. Now I'll come with jewelry on. In this, I forgot to make fake freckles, so I'm taking this toothbrush and making fake freckles with an eyeshadow. So the look is completed with this nose ring. Jewelry are mismatched and DIY'd. So Naagin 5 Hina's look is completed.
Hey guys, if you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel.